Hi, first graders. So last time we talked about writing a five-star sentence. A five-star sentence includes a capital, finger space, legible, that means I can read it, spelling, and an end mark. And the reason why we say end mark is because you can have a question, an exclamation mark, or a period. So today I'll do one, and then we're going to let you have a chance to be able to do this with me. So let's look at the first sentence. Let me get rid of the yellow. One second. Okay, so, okay. Okay. Okay, friends. So let's do the first one together, then the second one, and the third one I'm going to give you a couple seconds to think of what we would do. Okay, so I always tell students that the first thing we start with is the capital. So let's look at this sentence. It might rain tomorrow. Okay, first of all, do we have a capital? No, we don't. So the first thing I do is I fix the capital. And that's kind of hard to read with red. So let me go back to yellow. So I added a capital. Now let's look for finger space. It, finger space, might, finger space, rain, finger space, tomorrow. I have finger space. We know that because it's a computer, it's spelled correctly for the most part, and I can read it because it's legible. So the last thing we look for is our period, is our end mark, our end mark. So do we have an end mark at the end? We don't. So let's put that end mark where it goes. This is a five-star sentence, friends. Okay, this time you're going to do it. So think of what we look for first. If you said a capital, you'd be correct. So I will read you the sentence and then give you think time. Do you like school? Do you like school? Okay, so first of all, think, does it have a capital? I'll give you 3 seconds to say yes or no. 3, 2, 1. No, it doesn't. We need a capital there. And to make sure we notice that, we'll highlight that. Okay, our next thing we're looking for is finger space. So, do you like school? So I'm going to give you 3 seconds. Are all my words spaced? 3, 2, 1. No, they're not. And that little squiggly red underneath would let you know that too, because that tells me I need finger space. So let's look at this. Do, finger space, you, finger space, like, finger space, school. Okay, our last part is an end mark. Do we have an end mark? I'll give you 3 seconds. 3, 2, 1. We don't. And let's listen to how the sentence ends. Do you like school? So did I tell you something? No, so it's not a period. Did I ask something? I sure did. So that would be a question, because we don't know. Okay, here is our last one for today. This says, I am happy. Okay, so first of all, look for the capital. Do we have a capital? 3, 2, 1. Yes, we do. Do we have finger space? 3, 2, 1. We do. Okay, now we're looking for the end mark. Do we have an end mark? 3, 2, 1. No. Now listen to how I said this. I said, I am happy. Okay, so some of you might want to put a period. It wouldn't be a period because that's just normal. I don't always talk like this. So if I was saying I am happy, I would just put a period. I am happy is not asking a question, so we don't need that either. But listen to this. I am happy! Exclamation mark. That tells me I'm excited and I have emotion. Okay, friends, I'll talk to you tomorrow. Bye, everyone.